I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter out of malai. First, begin by collecting malai, the rich cream that forms on top of boiled milk over several days. Store this collected malai in an airtight container in your refrigerator. When you're ready to make butter, remember to take the malai out and let it reach room temperature. This step is crucial for a successful churning process, ensuring the best results. Now transfer your room temperature malai into a sturdy blender or food processor. Add a small amount of ice-cold water. This helps the butter separate more easily. Begin blending on a medium speed. You'll notice the mixture first becoming thick, then frothy, and finally, the butter solids will start to separate from the liquid buttermilk. Continue blending until distinct butter clumps appear. Once the butter has separated, carefully pour the entire mixture into a large bowl filled with cold water. Use your clean hands to gently gather the solid butter mass. It's important to squeeze and press the butter repeatedly under fresh cold water. This process helps to wash away any remaining buttermilk, which can cause the butter to spoil faster. Continue rinsing until the water runs clear. Finally, press out any last drops of water from your freshly made butter. If you prefer salted butter, now is the time to knead in a pinch of salt for enhanced flavor. Your homemade butter is ready. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks. For longer storage, you can freeze it. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.